Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a video on how to sync your Notion and Google Calendar. So from the home page, as you can see, I've got a bit of my own Notions here just for a test. Previously you had to go through a certain procedure which takes up time and manually add your Google Calendar to your Notion, but that's no longer the case. The very easy method of doing it is to just going to your calendar. So you just basically the way it's done. So as you can see, I have my calendar here already, but if you don't have it, there's going to be a certain button here that will basically allow you to connect your Google Calendar to your Notion directly without doing anything. So you're just going to press on this button here. It's going to be somewhere here, I believe. You're pressing on this button. You're then sent to a other page, tells you that you need to log in with your Google account, and then you just input your email, your password. You're prompted to allow, basically you're allowing Notion to access your Google Calendar, and you're easily just connecting your Google Calendar to Notion without any hassle to be added. And from there, as you can see, I've got this button, I've already pressed it, and from here, as you can see, this is our calendar, and on the left here, as you can see, there's my test email. This is going to be your Google Calendar. You can also synchronize your Outlook calendar if you want. That's not hard at all. As you can see, I've got my Outlook calendar here as well, just turned off, but it's here as well. It's also very easy to do. This is our Google Calendar right here in Notion. Thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.